will draw this beautiful shark. Watch the video till the end. We need these markers. Purple color, yellow color, green color, blue color, red color.
Woo!
Let's start. First, I am drawing shark's body. Please subscribe. Sharks live underwater. Do you love sharks? I love them so much. This is
Woo!
Now I am drawing bubbles. Now I am drawing seaweed.
Woo!
Purple color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Green color. Blue color. This shark looks beautiful. See you on next video.